Saturday Edition is a weekly Australian news and current affairs television program airing on Sky News Live. It is hosted by Greg Thomson and Jaynie Seal. The program premiered on July 9, 2016 and runs from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. AEST on Saturday mornings. It was originally planned to have the show break out for 30 minutes to allow Pyne Marles to air. However, the program was moved to Friday afternoons after Saturday Edition premiered. The program replaces the bulk of First Edition as Sky News breakfast program. The program was hosted by Paul Murray, along with Paul Murray Live. Coinciding with the launch of Saturday Edition, the Friday episode of Paul Murray Live became a highlights package of scenes from the previous week. In 2016, Jaynie Seal presented news updates and Jim Callanan presented sport. In 2017, Pyne Marles was added as co-host of the program and Greg Thomson replaced Callanan as sports presenter, while Seal exited. From March 4, 2017, Seal and Thomson became main anchors of the program, with both Murray and Marles exiting without notice. The pair also host Sunday Edition from 7 a.m. AEDT, but the program is 60 minutes in duration, prior to Spears on Sunday.